Making new friends can be one of the most inspiring things on earth. When you meet someone new, you have the opportunity to get to know them and learn about their story. This can be a great way to gain a new perspective on life and to find inspiration in the journeys of others. Additionally, friendships can provide support during difficult times and can be a great source of happiness and joy. So if you're looking for a way to be inspired, look no further than your nearest group of new friends. Just the thought of having a bird can be so inspiring. They are some of the most amazing creatures on earth, and just being around them can make you feel happy and uplifted. Birds can teach us so much about life and how to enjoy every moment. They are a reminder to stay positive and hopeful no matter what life throws your way.